I'm going to show you how to make some animals using little hearts. First, you'll want to find a stencil or a template of a heart, and you'll want to trace it. And then cut it out, and you'll want to make several of these. So it's better if you fold the paper in half and then cut. That way you get 2 at a time. Once you've cut out all your hearts, you're going to take another piece of construction paper as your backing, and then you're just going to arrange these into the shape of an animal. We're going to make a little puppy, and I'm going to start with a red heart, and it needs 2 little ears, so I'm going to take my whites and put one on this side and one on this side, and you'll want to arrange these all before you glue them down. Then we're going to give him a little body. And then so that there's contrast, I'm going to use a different color for his legs. And then he needs a little tail. And then you can glue it down and add. And glue it down. Then we're going to add some details with our markers. I'm going to give it some little eyes, little nose, some whiskers. Now we have our puppy dog.